regular ridiculous, and welcome to the new viewers and the subscribers. Welcome. I hope you're enjoying the content so far, because your girl was enjoying making it for you. So your girl went to Southern Sun Hotel in Senton for the breakfast meeting with the BANYANA BANYANA and the Netbook Cup for the first time in her life. You know, these are the woman of sports. So your girl went there to enjoy it and meet celebrities. So hopefully you will enjoy this as much as I enjoyed meeting them. They're fabulous and nice and kind people. So yeah, please stay tuned to see the beauty, the greatness of the woman of South Africa in sports and the beauty of the city called Senton. Stay tuned.
This World Cup as the Spa Proteas, we always knew it wasn't going to be easy. We always knew who the difficult nations were to come about. Going through your mind as the vice captain, what the discussion was in the change room before that first game.
Good morning to everyone. Thank you for having us here. I think it was our second World Cup. We had experience in 2019 in France, and to be honest, it's much more about what the team wanted.
Honestly, really based on their hard work, nothing to do with how we're heading into a professional space as the in South Africa. But credits to again the South Africa and the team. I think at this.
Thank you very much, Mapolo, and good morning to everybody, especially to our pride of joy, the Spa Proteas as well as BANYANA BANYANA.
That was always in our plan to start a family, but I don't want to stop doing what I'm doing because I love the sport and I love it's what you do. So you don't just because of the family you want to stop it. So then obviously the support I got from Netball South Africa was quite incredible. They allowed me, so when I had Cara, she was like 4 months.
very much.
Have loved the content so far, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to see more of the amazing content that I have for you. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video, of the vlog, of the greatness. Hope you enjoy more of the videos that I have. If you haven't checked out the rest of my videos, go and check all of them guys. Go and check them. Leave a comment, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.